So I get to understand that some people still don't know how to use this hash card and the benefits of this hash card that we have in this application. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your hash card and why you should exchange more of the hash card daily. So if you want to know how it works, stick to this video till the end. What is up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, go down below and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update. So let's go into today's video quickly. Alright guys, so like I said earlier on, in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can join the hash card. And when I mean join the hash card is by copying someone else's link, someone else's code, and you bring it to the to your application, and you join it and increase your mining hash, which is over here. By increasing this, by joining someone else's code, you're going to be increasing your hash. That's what I'll be showing you in this video. So I already made a video on how to initiate the hash card earlier on. I did this, I think, a long time ago, but I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and also the right top corner of this video is going to pop up. You can always come back to watch it later. After this video, you come back and watch it if you don't know how it works. So let's quickly take our time on what we are going to be doing here right now. So I would like you to first of all take note of my hash, which is over here. Sorry, let me use the box so that you can see clearly. I would like you to take note of this. This is my hash, which I'm going to be increasing. All right, so all you need to do is to go to Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook and search for their communities. Search for the core mining communities where they are sending and sharing hash cards. So you join those groups, and let me quickly go into one. All right, so here we are. I have one on Telegram, which is over here. This is one of the biggest, the biggest Telegram core mining, core exchange, hashcard exchange group on Telegram. I guess it's even filled up already. So let me go down. All right, you see, this is in this group, people keep posting and posting and posting lots of cards. So all you need to do is to pick anyone that looks, any card that you have and you want to join. You just have to come over here and look for the very one that correspond with the code you have. If okay, what I'm trying to say, if you have a hands card, or you have formation card, or you have witness card, or you have a B2 card, you have to come over here and look for one of them. Look for any one of them you want. Then you just copy the code and go back to your application and put it. So right now I'm going to copy one. I think I have ant card, so I'm just going to look for ant card here. I copy, let me quickly paste it here so I'll get just the code from it. Then all right, now I can copy. Then I have to go back to my application. This way I'm there. Okay, all right, so click here, back to the hash card. I have ant card, then join, click join. Let me paste it. I hope it's not yet filled up. Confirm. Okay, this has already, I think it has ended. It's filled up. I have to go back until I get a very good one. Okay, now I got another one. Let me just join, paste and confirm. Okay, successful. Okay, all right, now you can see I just joined. I think I'm the last person that joined this, that is participating on this particular card. So you can see it filled up now. And once the owner of this, the person that initiated this this particular cards, executes the card, immediately I'm going to be getting, you're going to see the way my hash over here will increase from 906 to, I think it's going to be adding, I think, 2.50k. So we're going to be having about 908 or 909 hash on the dashboard. So I think I'll just chill and wait for few minutes for someone, for the person that initiated this to uh execute it. Then I'll show you how it increased my hash over here as usual. So let me just pause this video for a few minutes. Okay, guys, so right now I think the person has executed the hash card, and you can see on my dashboard I don't have any available hash card here. No hash card available, and it's gone. And you can check over here, you can see I told you it has increased automatically after the person executed it. So I think this system is very good for you, that you don't have the time to always come over to the application and check your initiated card. So it's better for you to just join those that's already executed, and those that have already executed the card, you just join their card, and you can go ahead, do whatever you want to do, or you go offline, do what you want to do. But anytime you get back, you are definitely going to get your cards, you're going to get your hash increased, because when you are off, the person might execute it and you get your hash card increased. So that is how it works. Actually, it's not a difficult thing. You can always do it anytime, any day. If you like what I just showed you in this video, first of all, give this video a thumbs up. It's just a little motivation for me, from you guys, and an appreciation from you. So I see you again in the next video, guys. Ciao.